Alright, what's up everybody? If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat. I'm a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today I'm actually here in the city of Las Vegas. We are going to tour a condo that I was actually thinking of purchasing. Now this is a one-bedroom condo located in the city of Henderson, centrally located. We are off the, I'm going to say, Flamingo and Rainbow. This thing literally just hit the market 2 days ago. Multiple offers on this home. The front gate is over here. You do have a clubhouse too as well. We're probably just gonna go for a walk, and we might as well just take a look at it, right? Or should we look at the condo first? You know what? Let's go look at the condo first. So the parking here is 148, and it's actually building number 9. And I believe the units is right there, okay? Let me pull out my iPad for a second. I'm going to give you a little bit more information before we get into it, because I just want to leave my iPad here. I don't want to carry it all over the place. It's kind of hard and film at the same time. So, like I said, the property does have multiple offers. And its starting price, well, I don't want to say starting price, the asking price from the seller is $215,000, and it's only 807 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. HOAs here are going to be $195 a month. Property taxes $653, and no refrigerator. Okay, so we're gonna go inside. We're gonna take a look, see what's going on. Let me just put up this iPad away here. Property taxes is fairly cheap. Matter of fact, you know what? Should we go look at the community first or no? You know what? Let's just go ahead and go inside. Yeah, let's go inside. Lock this door here. So it looks like the unit is right here. Unit 2059. So this building consists of a total of 8 units total. One of the things I definitely would do is take a look at the air conditioning unit, find out what unit is for what. Definitely would have to get a home inspection here. We have a water valve here. So those are a couple things that you're gonna have to do, especially when you buy something like this. You definitely need to know where your main shutoff valve is to the unit. Does your shutoff valve to the unit turn off the water to all the units? Right, that's one thing that I've learned when I did the rehab of the home, of my condo. Give me just a second here. I'm gonna unlock this lockbox, but I had to find the app. Here we go. Let's go ahead and hit this, just like that. We're gonna do a face recognition. All right, come on. There it is. Now, this is not your traditional video home tour, just due to the fact that I'm interested in buying this property myself, so I want to take a look and see what's going on. But what is fascinating me to this property here is how brand new this thing is, and they did a really good job. See if I can get the lights turned on here. See exactly what they did. So, what they did was add luxury laminate flooring, which is really nice. 6 inches on the baseboards. They painted. Okay. Wow, this is interesting. The cabinets were decent enough that they just painted it and changed out the hinges here. You got the old school Formica countertops. You got the electric. Okay. Here's your refrigerator, which is not included. Washer. Well, dryer and washer. This must be your little pantry space here, huh? With the microwave, built-in microwave. Wow, they did a very okay job where I'm actually pretty pleased on this. Like I said, they got multiple offers on here. I wonder how much you can rent this thing out for. That's another thing. Once I'm done with this video, I gotta go back to the office and run the comps. See exactly what they can rent this thing out for. So this one is unique because it's a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Very large. Original tub. Shower has been reglazed. Extra space, okay. Great linen towels. Here's your 1 bedroom. You got your old school phone jack right there. But then we gotta figure out where's cable, right? And cable's gotta be somewhere. Probably there. Let's take a look at the closet. Not bad for the closet. Right above here is actually the pancake unit, right? Because you have the condenser outside. That's where the furnace is at. Turn out this light here. Two days on the market, gone. What's crazy is that this condo is more than the house that I currently live in right now. Sometimes you gotta take chances. Let's see what we got for storage. Should be your water heater in here. It's nice that the water heater's here. Sometimes you'll have condos that have a water heater inside the house, which doesn't make any sense. Typically, HOAs are included with the ground, trash, and sewage, and also water too as well. But that's something you need to double check inside the HOA resale package. And at $198, that's a pretty decent price, actually. So that way you don't even have to worry about all that, right? Alright, let's go downstairs, take a walk with this community here real quick. One of the things with the this type of HOA, you want to see if they even allow rental properties, because there could be a cap of 10% on here, who knows. So that's something that you definitely have to double check. Some of these actually have garages too as well. Too bad you don't get a carport and a garage. Charge a little bit more. All the uncovered parking here is free and open, so that's where your guests will park. The grounds is a pretty decent shape. I did forget to mention that this is a gated community. I'm not too sure if I should be buying or sitting tight. Alright, let's go take a look at this pool. So it looks like you got a little dog run here. Which is cute. Here's the pool. Not bad. You also have the clubhouse too as well. Outdoor shower. Oh, nice. Got a couple new condensers right there. Look at that. Here's another new condenser. Also, the unit's not gas, so basically the air conditioning unit's basically a heat pump. What that means, it's how it generates heat. There's a valve inside the furnace or the pancake unit that switches the condenser to go backwards with the refrigerant, and has so much pressure, creates heat. Also, one of the things that you need to take a look at is what the electric bill is too as well. Is if you do have a renter, electric bill is like $400 a month. You'll keep losing tenants, so that's something just to keep in mind. I don't know, overall, let me know what your thoughts are about this condo. I think this is the first time I ever did a condo video home tour, so other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. We will have a link in the description below. Other than that, be blessed, folks.